Are you cute? Are you beautiful? Yeah. Yep, you are. Big girl, huh? Yeah. Hot dog? Hot dog, hot diggity dog. He's a hot dog. Good boy. Good girl. Hey everyone, today is Monday, July 20th. I cannot believe we are almost done with the month of July. Like, it just feels like this summer just flew by. But it's a little before 2:30, I think, and I have the day off today. So I've basically just been kind of chilling at home, just catching up on some chores. And I feel like I haven't really like sat down and talked to you guys in a little bit. I feel like I kind of sound like a broken record, but I haven't really been vlogging very much because there really hasn't been that much to vlog. I just feel like I just work and then I come home and don't really do too much. So that's why I haven't really been vlogging. But I thought I would just come on here and just chit chat with you guys a little bit and then maybe just vlog some of the chores that I'm doing today. Maybe vlog, you know, me making dinner tonight. Again, I feel like even that in itself is a little repetitive. I just feel like my past couple vlogs, I've been kind of like showing the same things, but at the same time, the reason why I like vlogs is because they're just a little bit more like raw and personal, and it just shows a little bit of my like everyday life. And yeah, that's basically my everyday life. I just work and then come home, clean, do like YouTube, other things, and that's basically it. So I apologize if everything seems a little bit repetitive. I don't mean it to sound that way or look that way. But I guess I'm really just showing you guys my life. So yeah, I'm currently working on laundry. I still need to put away a ton of laundry. Like, let me just show you guys. I still have a load in the dryer right now. So I will have more stuff to put away, but look at all of this laundry that I have to put away. This is all clean stuff, just like bed sheets and clothes and towels that all need to be put away. I have just felt like super lazy today and not really motivated. So that's why I haven't done it yet, but I do need to get that done. And then I have some other like cleaning that I want to get done as well today. Just like dusting and vacuuming and just other things around the house. But yeah, I thought before I would, you know, take you all on the little cleaning journey with me, I thought I would just sit down and chit chat with you guys a little bit and just kind of catch you up on what I've been doing. Or I guess really the only thing I wanted to like update you guys on that I talked about in my last vlog, I'm pretty sure, is the house hunting. So if you saw my vlog that I most recently updated or uploaded, I mentioned that in one of the days that me and Luke were actually going to look at houses and we started like the house hunting process. And I never really updated you guys after that day. So that particular day we looked at, I think, 2 different houses. The first house we saw was nice, but it was very, very small, but it was a nice house. So that was like one of the houses like we were still kind of thinking about, but then it ended up selling like really fast. So that house ended up like, you know, obviously not being in our plan because it was already sold like very shortly after we looked at it. And then the second house we looked at was a house that we were very excited about, like the listing, just like the price, and just the going off of just the pictures, it looked like a very like nice updated house for the price that it was. So we ended up looking at that house because we were super excited to see it, and it ended up being not a good house, which was sad because, you know, we were so excited about that house. And the pictures definitely fooled us. I mean, some of the rooms that like were shown in the pictures, like the kitchen and I think one of the bedrooms, it was updated. They definitely did some remodeling, but in that particular house, we could just tell a lot of it was like DIY work, and we were just, I don't really know how to describe it without like, I guess you guys seeing it yourself, but you could just tell that like whoever was living there did all of these like DIYs themselves, and like some of the stuff looked a little sketchy and not really safe and just like bad quality or bad decisions. So we ended up throwing that house out. And that was the only day that we ended up looking at houses, because shortly after looking at those 2 houses, me and Luke decided to put house hunting on hold, which I feel like was a very hard decision because I was just, I don't know, I guess I was just really excited that we started like the house hunting process. But we ended up putting it on hold because Luke has some health related things that he wanted to get fixed first. Nothing like serious, just all like dental work, and his insurance isn't very good, so a lot of it we would have to pay like out of pocket, so that's going to be very expensive. We're still, you know, he still has like dentist appointments, and we still have some stuff that we need to pay for that. So just with that big of an expense, and then obviously we're getting married this year, there's really not too much to update you guys on our wedding. Obviously with everything that's going on in the world, if anything were to change, obviously I would let you guys know. But as far as I know, as of right now, we're still planning on having our wedding. So yeah, with our wedding happening this year and just all of these like expensive things that are happening in a very short amount of time, we just decided, okay, let's go ahead and take one thing at a time. Like, we don't need to be rushing to get a house. Like, we have our apartment, we have a place to live. So let's just go ahead, get married, pay for our wedding. We'll get Luke's, you know, all his dentist visits out of the way, his teeth fixed, pay those bills, and then once that stuff's done, we'll return to the house hunting process. And yeah, so I just quickly wanted to update you guys on that. I think that's the only thing I needed to update you guys on. There really hasn't been any other changes or anything new with me other than that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on putting the clean clothes away, and just kind of doing some other cleaning around the house. So I'll definitely vlog all that for you guys. If that's stuff you kind of like, I don't know. Sometimes I kind of find it relaxing when people, I don't really like to watch like dedicated clean with me videos. I guess it depends on the, like, what, like the specifics of the video. But I don't know. I find it like when people are vlogging and they include like these kind of clips in their vlogs, I find it relaxing. I don't really know why. So hopefully you guys like these clips. You're free to skip over it if it's not your thing. If I have anything else to tell you guys or update you guys on, I will definitely make sure to do that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to cleaning. everyone. Today is Monday afternoon. It's a little before 1 o'clock. I thought I would just come on here real quick because I really wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. And I know I'm looking a little rough, like my hair is just all over the place. You can just see all like my little baby hairs up here. So just try to ignore my appearance right now and my burnt chest. Me and Luke spent some time outside yesterday, so I'm a little burnt, but yeah. So I got this package in the mail, I think a couple days ago, and I have been saving it for when I could sit down with you guys and unbox it because I am just super excited about this package. So I'm just gonna start opening it up. So basically, this is something for my car. Especially for the summertime, the inside of my car gets like super hot, like, and every time I turn my car on, my car reads the like temperature at like 110. Like, it just gets insanely hot. And so I have been looking around to get like those like windshield visors or whatever they're called, just to kind of block the sunlight, and so my car doesn't get so hot on the inside. And so I've been looking around for the perfect one, and I think I found the perfect one. The site I got this off of, hold on, let me see if there's a receipt. I've never heard of this site before. Oh, it's called Box Lunch. But I think I actually was like scrolling through Facebook and I might have saw like this advertisement on there. But I saw that they had one of those like sun visor things, and it was the perfect one for me. So I got it out of the box, and it is this right here. It is a Golden Girls sun visor. Is that what they're called? Auto sunshade. Okay, sunshade, sun visor, same thing. So yeah, this is the one that I got, and that's just kind of what it looks like right there. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Luke's at a dentist appointment, so I won't be able to put it on my, or like on or in my car right now. But I think when he gets back, I'm definitely gonna run it out there, put it on there just so I can see. Oh my goodness, what the fuck? That was so weird. Like, my phone like literally just like flew off of my tripod. Sorry about that. Now I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, so when he gets back from his dentist appointment, I think I'll run outside and put this on my car, which I've never had one of these before, so I honestly don't even know how it goes on your car. Oh, does it not come with directions? Or maybe like it's, I don't know. I'm very stupid when it comes to like installing things. So like I always need directions with things, but I don't think this comes with directions. Woo, so there it is right there. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. So when I get that installed in my car, I'll definitely make sure to show a clip of that. I'm super excited to do that. It's so cute. So yeah, that's basically it. That's my little unboxing that I have for you guys. So yeah, I feel like I might actually end this vlog now and start a new vlog. I think I do have some stuff to update you guys on dealing with our wedding, but I think I might just save that for my next vlog after this one, just because after this one, shortly after, in a couple weeks, my bachelorette party's coming up, and I already filmed a little bit of footage dealing with that party, so I thought I might as well just keep like the wedding related stuff in one vlog. So I'll probably film that now, but that'll go in the next vlog, and I'll just kind of sign off for this vlog. I don't really think there was a lot of footage to show in this vlog, so I apologize about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my other vlogs and of course in my other weekly videos. So I will talk to you all very soon. Bye!